Today we're going to do a room tour of room 129, the Superior Junior Suite Ocean View. This part has to be a voiceover because I didn't realize that they upgraded me and I said the wrong room category name. We are right in the bathroom, so you'll see we have 2 double sinks, plenty of counter space. I love that they have some storage space here. They also have a flat iron, which is sort of like a palace thing. I love that they have this. Not too many resorts have that. They also have a nice blow dryer with a diffuser. So unless you're picky, no need to pack those. And they have more storage down here, which is super, super nice. Moving into the shower. Good size. I love that they have a nice bench in here. They have the rain shower, and then they also have a wand, so you have plenty of options in here. There's also a clothesline, so if you want to hang your bathing suits at the end of the day, you can do that. And then the toiletries provided are shampoo, conditioner, and body lotion, so pretty good. And then moving into the water closet, I love that it's a solid door. I mean, I don't know what all the glass doors are about, but a nice solid door is perfection. Then you have your closet right over here. Going to have your safe, robes, and slippers. Ironing board and an iron. And if you need more hangers, no need to bring them. Just dial 0 or use the app and they will bring some more for you. Going into the bedroom, we have a king-size bed. They have a ton of storage here. The first thing I noticed when I walked in was all the drawers. I love storage. I hate being crammed. Nice TV on the wall, and they have a diffuser. It smells so good in here. So probably I should say not the first thing I noticed was the drawers. Actually, I noticed how it smelled, and I said to my husband that I liked the decor because it was nice and like bright and white, and I like that. I don't think you can miss the jacuzzi in the middle. This is ginormous. I don't know if the video really is going to show the scale, but it is huge, and you could have a party in here if you wanted to. Okay. Have a nice little bistro table over here. Do a little room service. And then moving over here, you have some liquor dispensers here. And then there's also a single serve coffee maker, and then everything that you need is going to be in here, and a couple snacks. And then last thing to see over here is the mini bar, and this is going to be restocked daily, and you're gonna have your beer, water, soda, some juices, things like that. And then there is a balcony, so you have your balcony outside and chairs and tables. So overall, really good room. It's a really great size as well, which I love. You do have to be mindful that there are stairs, so just keep that in mind. I do like that the nightstands here are nice and lit up. I feel like this is really nice. And this is a speaker, so if you want to play some music while you're getting ready for dinner, you have that option. So we are staying here for 4 nights. If you just keep on watching, I'm going to do a little review of what we think of the room, what we like and dislike about it after actually sleeping in it. All right, so we'll come back to you soon. All right, today is our 5th day here. We are getting ready to go home, so just don't mind the mess. But I'm gonna kind of tell you what we liked and disliked about the room. I don't think that I originally told you that they have a red light, green light system. So if you don't want anyone to come in, you would just hit privacy, and then outside it would say private. And then same if you want someone to come in, you would hit make up the room, and then it's going to be green outside, and that's going to let them know that they can come in or not come in. I love this system. I hate when somewhere just has like a door tag because that's so easy for it to blow away or for someone to just take off. I love, love, love this. They do not have a secret box for room service or anything like that. So if that's really important to you, they don't have that here. I really liked in the shower, the toiletries were really great. This shampoo and conditioner was like I loved it. I was already Googling, seeing how much it was, but I'm like buy my shampoo and conditioner at Costco for $10 for a gallon. So that's like a little out of my price range, but I actually really did like this a lot. So if you're on the fence about if you want to bring toiletries, I thought all of the toiletries were really nice here. And then just be careful, because when you turn on the shower, it's going to first come out of the wand. So what I like to do before I get in here is just turn it, because if you turn it on and it's facing the wall, it's going to like really spray back at you. So I like to just turn it before turning it on. And then if you want the water to come out of the spout, you're going to push it in. Okay. And there was a ton of storage in here, which I really liked. So you can bring pretty much everything that you want, and there's a ton of storage space. So the room does come with the straightening iron. I did not like this at all. My hair kept getting caught in it. So I don't know if this is the same brand that every room has, or if I just got a bad one, but I didn't love that. Now, the blow dryer, on the other hand, was really great. I already looked this up too. This is $125. I think I'm gonna buy this. This was really, really nice. So it just comes with the diffuser and then this end, and this was nice. So you don't need to bring your blow dryer unless you're really picky or you have like a Dyson or something fancy. Again, that's in my price range. So I think everything in the bathroom, good to go. If you need more hangers, you can just call for those. No need to bring those. I have a lot of clients that will be like, do I need to bring hangers? No, you don't have to bring hangers. Again, a lot of storage in here, which was really great. Did this play music, Kev?
I couldn't get it to work.
We couldn't get it to work, but it is supposed to be a Bluetooth. Yeah, we unplugged it because it was super bright at night. So, yeah. Never used the tub, so I can't tell you anything about this. I'm just not a fan of like a huge tub like this in the room. I feel like it's kind of like an eyesore, but I don't know. I'm sure it's fine. I'm sure it's fine. I guess I don't really have that many thoughts. Do you have more thoughts, Kev?
I mean, the balcony's small, but what are you gonna do?
Well, you can't. That? I mean, I don't think it's. I mean, I guess it's a little
smaller than normal, but
I mean, it's better than the sister. The Sister Resort LeBlanc doesn't even have a balcony, so.
The alcohol they give you, we never even use that.
No. You don't need to. I mean, like, I understand how people, like, want to drink in the room or whatever, but, like, you're at an all-inclusive resort, like.
Just go to the bar.
You can go to the bar, and they'll give you a drink to go, and then you don't have to be making your own. I could see if you had a room that had, like, a private pool or something, but I don't know. I think, you know, the air conditioning worked really well in here, so that was great.
The bed was comfortable.
The bed was so comfortable. The pillows weren't bad either. I like a lot of pillows, so you can definitely order, and you could do all this on the app. So we like our room really cold, so we requested an extra blanket, so you can do all that on the app. Your pillows, your blankets, hangers. We just ordered room service on the app. So
the cushioned mat.
Yeah, the cushioned mat was really nice. That was actually one of the first things I said when I got in. I said, ooh, I really like this mat. It was really nice. It was kind of like when you go to some resorts and they put down a little turn down mat, except we always had a turn down mat. So I guess I don't really have too much to say, or I'm just totally spacing, but it was a good room. I really don't have any complaints. So if you would like to book with a travel agent, I would love to help you. You can reach out through my website at memoriesandmojitos.com. You're gonna submit a quote request, we're gonna chat, and then I can get you off to paradise, either here or somewhere else, because maybe this isn't the right spot for you. But if you have any questions, you can go ahead and leave them down below.